Hello, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. Got an unboxing. This is Marsha Holland. Glam Memo. How's everybody? Where are you? Right there. Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm going to go ahead and start here just a second. Now, trying to get some MUSIC. I don't think it's going to work for some reason. This is an old tablet. Oh, there it is. But it was the latest and the greatest when I bought it. You know how that goes? Right. So it is. Hello, Missy. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. My glasses are crazy. And I have trifocal, so man, you can imagine the blur because they're not. This thing itches. I have to wear it 20 more days. You ever worn a heart monitor? I'm trying to figure out how to pronounce your name. Ursulia? Uh-oh. Careful. Goodness. How are you today? I gotta unbox. Let me tell you, Faberlic is so great. I got a notice this was going to be delivered December 14th. What's today? The 11th. They do it every single time. I think it makes you feel good when you do get it early. It's like Christmas. Psychological. Hello, Miss Laurel. How are ya? Well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay? Look, Christmas paper even. I'm going to save that. Christmas paper. They give you a receipt. And for the month of December, they're giving us these free bags. For every $50 you spend, you get 2 free bags. Do I have a lot of bags? I think I do. Let me put you in here. I think I have a bag or 2. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. Look at there. Stop it, Marsha. Stop it. Okay. I don't even remember what I ordered, so let's just dig in, okay? Look how they package stuff, too. And they have little squishy, you know, the bubble pop stuff. Usually I'm just... Oh, this is the new Aromio. I know that's backwards. Aromio Essential Oils. Let me see which flavor. Oh, this is the relaxed one. Holy moly, do I need that one? I'll be wearing it constantly. Hang on. There is a video on a lesson I have to watch. I don't have to watch, but I want to watch. All about, it's a master class on all about our essential oils. And there's some little instructions in here, which I will read. Essential oils. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna relax. Relax. I don't. It's not even in our catalog yet. So let's see if this is in English. It's all natural stuff, though. There is no... Good Lordy mercy. I'm not going to be able to read that. I wouldn't be able to read that even with a... Maybe this tells you all about it, huh? I'll have to print that and blow that up. Look. But this tells you all about it. I didn't know that was going to happen. I'm going to print that, make it bigger if I can. A Romeo. I even like the name of it. A Romeo. I'm keeping that right there. Okay. Here's another one. Let's see. I don't remember what I did. Let's see what we did. Long and Strong Mascara. I got one of these. I'm not going to open this just yet, but it is fabulous mascara. It's got some growth stuff in it. Love that comb. Nothing ever clumps. So I've been using that a lot. All right, so I got an extra one of those. Oh, I know why I got that, because they had it on special when I checked out. And I got me some more little samples. I am getting the collection. What am I going to do with them? I don't know. Let's see. I don't remember what I got. What the heck is that? Oh, it got stuck. A little sample of lipstick. It's a little sample of Donna Feline Eau de Parfum. Ooh, that's nice. I'll have to order the real thing. Donna Felice. Donna Felice. Look at my sample box. I mean, my sample thing. I'm getting a collection here. Okay, what else? What a good zippy bag. What else did I get? Oh, yeah. I got this. Completes my Renovage series. This completes it. This is the face wash peptide complex. It is delicate purifying foamy cream. Yum. I have got to get my cataracts done. Have any of y'all had cataracts removed? I got to take the time to do it. Ooh, nice baggies. Oh, gosh. I just read, or just got a notice. It's going to freeze tonight. It's been 70 degrees. Look here. Do I need these? Heck no, but I want you to look. Look at this. Aren't they nice? This is a fluffy brush. And its own little plastic coffin. But look. Nice fluffy brush. Very well made too. Wow. So, then we got this other one. It's really interesting. I want to show you that one. Oh, I have to be all foamed. Look at this one. This one is really, this is like a smoky eye. But look at it. Look at that. It's really strange looking. I bet I like it though. I bet I do. And what else did I get? This one's not as big as I usually get. What is this? It's like Christmas. You know, we still have that special going until the 31st of December. If you put $200 worth of stuff in your cart, at checkout, they take $100 off of it. And at the prices we have, what in the... Oh, okay. Yay. This is another new product, a Romeo. This is Cotton Nude. This is for balance. So I've got one for... what did I say it was? one for relax, and I've got one for, hang on, balance. This is a spray. You can spray it on yourself. You can spray it on your furniture, whatever. Cotton Nude Balance. Let's see. Woo! Ooh! Oh, that's nice. I don't know what that is. I gotta watch my master class so I can tell you all about this stuff. I know it's all natural stuff. I know that. There's no chemicals. Never any chemicals. Yay! A Romeo. Brand new product. It's not even in the catalog. What else? Oh, yeah. You've heard me talk about this. You've heard me talk about my Cellar all the time, right? I should own stock in the My Cellar company or something. I believe in it totally. Hey, Marie. This is My Cellar. Oh, I already have some My Cellar bath wash. This is My Cellar gel. This is My Cellar wash, but it's a gel. Was interesting. I want to smell. I don't smell nothing. Oh, that's why. My daughter today in the mail, my other daughter. I got a sunshine box from her. I said, did you send me a box? Yes. I said, oh, I thought it was you. I thought it was her. She said, did it make you smile? And I said, it sure did. She says, well, then that's what it was for. Okay, let's see what we got. Wait, what's it here? It's a gel. My Cellar Gel. I'll be using this as soon as I can take a shower. Look at this. I can't get that wet. What am I going to do? Can't get it wet. This will be interesting. I'll smell like a billy goat. Take a sponge bath. All right, we're nearly through. What is this one? Oh, this is, you see me do a, this is Oceanum Eye Patches. You've heard me talk about Oceanum. That is actually all the stuff that I actually go for is the Oceanum because of the science. The French lab and then Faberlic got together and they have discovered unbelievable things. This is what this one is because I already got one. Look. These eye patches are full of goodness. You can put them, comes with a little spatula. Uh-oh, lost my spatula. Comes with a spatula because these things are like paper thin, and you don't want to see, it's just oozing with goodness. You can put these on your not just your eyes, but you can also put them on your smiley lines and any other kind of, was that sitting like that? Any other kind of lines you might have on your face. I think the last time I did it, don't want to screw on there. The last time I did it, I put it on right here. I got a wrinkly right here. I put them on my eyes. I put some right here. Yeah. And one girl said you can even put it on your mouth. I don't know why. Why would that close? Wait a minute. No. Yep. That's why. That's why. Hang on. I thought there was something. I don't remember my little spoon being down in the solution before. Oh, there you go. See? Eye patches. I've got these eye patches that has the oxygen formula in it. And they've also got the asparage in it to stop my aging skin. Then I've got these pink ones. They're Hydrogel Eye Patches. Same thing. You can put them anywhere. This is from iSoul. The reason I got these is because I was going to tell you, because Faberlic, you know, you just never know. They're always full of surprises. When I went to checkout, if you spend so much money, they give you this and give you that. If you do this, they do that. You know how that goes. Well, I didn't even realize it last thing here. But I got a chance to get these eye patches for $3. $3. And they're normally, let's see. They're not normally $3. I can tell you that much. Here we go. They are catalog price. Oh, that's a set. I was going to say, when does that happen? Catalog price for the Hydrogel Eye Patches are $31.49. And I got this brand new box for $3. Thank you, Faberlic. Thank you, Faberlic. Hello, Miss Linda. Hi, Susan. Hello, hello, hello. Last thing. Something else I didn't need. I got Faberlic Oxyology moisturizer. It's a oxygen balance day cream. Isn't that cute? I got this one. Where's the other one? Okay, I don't know where. Oh, there it is. I got enough moisturizer to moisturize the city. You know what? That's the same stuff. Isn't it? But that's green and that's blue. What's the difference? It says 4D Target Innovation on both of them. It's got the same identical. It must be the same product. Yep. Got different numbers though. Well, I'll be a dirty dog. I thought I was getting something different. That's okay. I'll use it. I'll use it. Never mind. I'll use it eventually. Okay, that's what I got. Anybody got any questions about what I got? Anybody got any questions? I wish y'all could talk. Hello, hello. Miss Linda. Okay, nobody's got any questions, then I am out of here. I'm going to do some cleaning up. I'm going to start cleaning out my hutch in there, my drawers. I can barely shut them. There's so much garbage in them. So I'm going to go clean that out. I'm still in my pajamas. You said, how are you? I'm still in my pajamas. This is a pajama top. My back feels better today. Well, I'm going to let you girls go. Thank you for stopping by. You're so sweet to give me your time like that. I love you, I love you, I love you. Marsha Holland. See you later.